Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Confirm your phone supports dual SIM, either two physical nano SIMs or eSIM plus physical SIM, and that it's unlocked. Once done, power the phone off to protect the cards. Use the eject tool to open the tray, then place the primary SIM in slot 1 and the secondary in slot 2, matching the cut corner orientation. Make sure contacts sit flush. Close the tray firmly. This prevents connection issues and prepares the device for the configuration steps that follow. After powering on, wait while the phone registers both networks. You should see two signal indicators. Next, go to Settings, then SIM or Mobile Network Settings. Enable both SIMs and assign defaults. Choose which SIM handles mobile data, which handles calls, and which handles SMS. Once configured, set preferred network types for each SIM, like 4G/3G, and enable automatic data switching if you want the phone to move between lines. Take a moment to label each SIM so you know which plan you're using. You're almost done. Make a call from each SIM, send texts, and open a web page to verify data. Once confirmed, label each SIM in settings and assign ringtones or data limits so you can track usage. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First reseat the SIM tray, then toggle airplane mode on and off and restart the phone. If the problem persists, swap SIMs between slots to check for a bad SIM or slot. This isolates hardware versus network issues and usually points to the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.